Hi students, let's continue with the political parties. Let's start with state party. Other than the six parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified by the Election Commission as state parties. Parties like the Samajwadi Party, the Samata Party and Rashtriya Janata Dal have national level political organization with units in several states. Some of these parties like Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front and Mizo National Front are conscious about their state identity. So over the last 3 decades, the number and strength of these parties have expanded. Yes, now let's move on to the other one. Challenges to political parties. What are the challenges? The first challenge is about lack of internal democracy. All over the world, people express strong dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties to perform their functions as well. The first challenge is lack of internal democracy within a party. All over the world, there is a tendency in the political party towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. The leader assumes greater power to make decision in the name of the party. Since one of few leaders exercise paramount power in the party, those who disagree with the leadership find it difficult to continue in the party. So the first challenge is lack of internal democracy. Yes, within the parties, all over the world, there is a tendency in the political party towards the concentration of power in one or with a few leaders at the top. Parties do not hold a membership registration, do not hold organizational meeting, do not conduct internal elections regularly. So the ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happened inside the party. They do not have the means or the connections needed to influence that decision. So as a result, the leader assumes greater power to make decision in the name of the party. Since one of few leaders exercise paramount power in the party, those who disagree with the leadership find it difficult to continue in the party. Yes, so this is the first challenge is lack of internal democracy in a party. The second challenge, dynastic succession is related to the first one. Since most political leaders, parties do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning, there are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in the party. So the second challenge of dynastic succession is related to the first one. Since most of the political party do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning, there are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in a party. Those who happen to be the leader are in a position of unfair advantage to favor people close to them or even their family member. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by the members of one family. This is unfair to other member of that party. This is also a bad for a democracy. Now let's move on to the third one. The third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscle power in parties, especially during elections. Yes, since parties are focused only on winning election, they tend to use shortcuts to win it in the election. They tend to nominate the candidates who can raise lots of money. Yes, and the rich people and the companies who give funds to the party tend to influence on the policies and decisions of the party. In some country, yes, the party will support criminals. In some cases, what will happen? The parties will support the criminals who can win election. So the Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich people and the big companies in democratic policies. The fourth challenge is that very often parties do not seem to offer a meaningful choice to the voter. In order to offer meaningful choices, parties must be significantly different. In recent years, there has been a decline in the ideological differences among parties in most part of the world. Yes, so these are the 4 challenges. Lack of internal democracy. Second, challenge is a dynastic succession. Third, money and muscle power. Fourth, meaningful choice to the voter. Now, let's move on to the other one. How parties be reformed. Let us look some of the recent effects and suggestion in our country to reform political parties and its leaders. The constitution was amended to prevent elected MLAs and MPs from changing parties. Yes, this was done because many elected representatives were indulging in defection, yes, in order to become ministers or for cash rewards. Yes, so in the constitution, yes, they were amended to prevent the elected MLAs and MPs from changing parties. Yes, so this was done because many elected representatives were indulging in it, yes, and they were defection in order to become ministers or for cash rewards. Now, the law says that if any MLAs or MP changing parties, he or she will lose the seats in the legislature. Yes, this new law has helped bring defection down. Now, let's move on to the other one. Supreme Court passed an order to reduce the influence of money and criminals. The third one, the Election Commission passed an order make it necessary for the political party to hold their organization election and file their income tax returns. Besides, these many suggestions are often made to reform political parties. So the next one, the Election Commission passed an order. Okay, that is, it is necessary for the political party to hold their organization election and file their income tax returns. The next one, a law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political party. It should be made compulsory for the political party to maintain a register of its members. It should be made mandatory for the political party to give a minimum number of tickets, about 1/3 to women candidates. There should be state funding of elections. The government should give parties money to support their election expenses. This suggestion have not yet been accepted by the political parties. Yes, so far we have discussed about what is meant by state party and what are the challenges of political party. Lack of internal democracy, yes, meaningful choices to the voters, dynastic successions, yes, money and muscle power, and at the last, how parties be reformed. Thank you, students.